Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the basics. Check CPU, GPU, RAM, and free disk space so you know limits. Once done, update your GPU drivers and the game client. This fixes many frame rate bugs. Next, close unnecessary background programs and disable overlays that steal GPU cycles. Make sure your power plan is high performance. These steps give you a clean baseline to change in game and config settings without chasing phantom issues. You now modify the game to match your hardware. Reduce render distance, shadows, and particle intensity to medium or low because those hit FPS hardest. Set a stable FPS cap like 60 to avoid big fluctuations. Enable VSync only when you see tearing. Then, edit the game config files to reduce view range, skip heavy startup effects, and enable multi-core support if available. After each change, relaunch and test so you can see which tweak gave the biggest improvement. You finish by testing in real scenarios. Enter crowded zones or combat and record FPS with an overlay to get reliable data. If problems persist, roll back recent GPU drivers or perform a clean client reinstall. Corrupted files often cause stutters. Make sure Windows power and game mode settings remain stable. One important troubleshooting step: perform a clean boot to isolate background services and start up apps that cause drops.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.